Okay, here we are with the parsley. We've showed you how we plant the seed and a few beds, and we pick some to bring into the table. And again, it's soaking in water so that it stays nice and fresh and rehydrated. This is a salad spinner, which enables us to clean the parsley. And let me get it all out of the first stage here and into the spinner. Now we will want to rinse this off a little bit. Any dirt that might be on it. And let it drain some of the excess water off. And we put it in the spinner. And we spin it. And we spin this in order to get rid of all the moisture off of the leaves so that it'll stay nice and fresh. Okay, and there we are. We have nice, clean parsley, ready to eat.